Stop scrolling. Check out this gravity-defying magic. This is the anti-gravity humidifier. It makes water flow UP while cleaning your air. Perfect for dry skin, and it looks absolutely futuristic in any room. Must have for 2026, link in bio to grab yours. Subscribe for more smart finds.